really a great honor to be the Commissioner of Agriculture and Consumer Services in Virginia. Agriculture is the Commonwealth's #1 industry by far. It generates over $55 billion a year to the economic activity in the Commonwealth. Almost 360,000 Virginians are employed in an agricultural career. We have 46,000 farms across the state in 95 counties, and our international exports have exploded in the last couple of years. We're about $2.6 billion a year of exporting our Virginia-grown products to countries all around the world. So it's certainly an exciting time to be involved in the industry. Virginia agriculture is diverse. The local food movement has really exploded. The Buy Fresh, Buy Local movement has continued to create many opportunities, and of course large-scale production agriculture continues to be very, very important throughout the Commonwealth as well.